na-enjoy ko yung family ko ngayon. Right now, nag-advance Valentine's Day kami nung misis ko dito sa Baguio. And then, kahit papaano yung mga bata nung Christmas na nailabas ko. So, yun nga yung pinagkakaabalahan ko. And wala mo na sigurong basketball for the last 5 months.
Yes.
Hindi ako, ano, hindi ako involved sa basketball eh. So, I think nag-enjoy naman ako. And hopefully, yung aking pinagkakaabalahan na ibang bagay, magawa ko rin. Like yung mga pinaplano ko in the future. So, yun. Yun muna. So, and then let's wait kung ano yung pwedeng mangyari sa akin. Ako naman, Homer, laging naniniwala dun sa right time eh. Yung ating
Correct.
Panginoon, merong talagang plano yan para sa atin. And I just wait for that. And then let's see kung ano yung pwede natin gawin sa future.
Yeah, yun na nga sinabi, Coach, na in the intersection of readiness and opportunity, ganun ang mabuting, good things happen when you reach that. Kasi ang buhay may crossroads eh. You reach a
Yes.
point in your life na, saan ako pupunta? Shall I take a left or a
Mm.
right? But regardless of whatever choices you make, pagdating mo doon, if you're ready and the opportunity intersects,
Yes.
ganon, malaki ang ano dyan. So, Coach, although I know you had such fabulous time bonding with the family, taking care of business, but coaching is part of your DNA. So, what did you miss the most? Anong nakakamiss sa'yo when you were gone? What did you miss about the
Actu-
PBA and coaching in general while you were away?